everybody, I'm Deidre.
I'm Adarius.
We're Nights Treks and we're on day 3. Is it day 3?
It is day 3.
Day 3 of our first ever cruise. Today is a beach day at the private island Princess Cay or Princess Cay. I don't know how to say it. I thought it was Princess Cay, but then our cruise director of fun is like Princess Cay, and so now I'm like, I don't know, but we're here at the Princess Island.
It's called Cay.
Okay, it's Princess Cay, I guess. I don't know. We've got our bathing suits on. We're gonna grab our bag. We're waiting for our number to be called, and then we're gonna go have some fun.
Yeah.
So how it works is that you grab a card early in the morning, like 7 a.m. with the time that you want to depart the ship, because the water's too shallow and you have to take like a transfer boat. So we're gonna go eat breakfast, wait for our number to be called, and then we'll come back down and grab our bag, because the floor that we're on, deck 1, is the same deck that we leave out of. So let's go eat and grab some coffee and try to wake up from yesterday's late night.
Still got a little bit of a headache.
Definitely need some coffee. It's a bunny, right? It's gotta be a bunny. It's gotta be a bunny. There goes the DJ. But he's gonna do a beach party today. Let's see what we get. Alright, there's where we are. I've heard that this side over here is less people than this side over here. So Carnival Cruise does provide a lunch here, 1 serving per person, and the Cheers and Bubbles package don't work here. So it's like a barbecue setup with chicken and hot dogs and burgers. My burger guy. We finally found a spot in the shade. It's a pretty good spot too. Those are extra, those little clamshell things. And then if you don't have a clamshell, it's tough pickings if you don't get out here first thing in the morning to get a shady spot. So we're just at a picnic table and we are fine with that. This water is so blue. I haven't seen water like this since we lived in Destin. Find all kinds of seashells.
Oh.
What'd you find? What'd you find? Oh, those aren't seashells.
No, these are
rocky substances. What is that? What are you picking up?
I don't know.
Oh my god. What was that? Looks like a fossil with like teeth. We were warned that it would be rocky and so to wear our sandals, and it is. As soon as we sat down with our food, we saw a lady faceplant from tripping over a rock. So we would definitely recommend you bring some aqua-friendly sandals or water shoes with hard bottoms. We didn't last long at all. It is so, I don't know, it's a different hot. It's hotter here than in Orlando, but the temperature's less, but we're just dripping.
Humidity is insane.
Yeah, really humid. We're gonna get back on the ship and get cooled off because we're starting to overheat. We were sitting in the shade. That's the Stingray Beach where you can interact with the stingray. And I feel kind of bad for it because look, it's just fenced in, it never leaves. And then that's the swimming cove. And then over there's the sports cove where we were. This water is so blue, it looks like Disney water, like in Disney Springs where they dyed it blue.
Right.
This is the actual color of the water. Mango Magic. And they have edible straws. This one's a lime one. I hope it's gonna be good. Is it good? Is the straw good?
No, it's gone.
Oh, you already ate it all. And it's raining. We literally made it onto the boat at the perfect time, and then we got the last 2 seats at the only open bar on the pool deck out of the rain. We got some good luck right now. Maybe we should go to the casino. A lot has happened. We're on round 4, 3.
I'm on 3.
3? I'm 2.
3. We're both on 3.
No, I'm 2.
Sorry.
Anyways, we got pizza and burgers and burritos and watermelon, and I got in the pool and it's salt water and there's salt in my eyes and my mouth and it was really gross and I won't do that again. But we have a storm on the way, so it should cool down soon, and we're very hot and we're very sweaty, but it's not time to go to dinner yet, so we're just gonna sit here and eat and drink until it is time to go to dinner, and then we're gonna take a shower and go to dinner.
And then eat again.
Yeah.
And drink. Because I have a feeling our server is going to be just
Michelle is always like, this would go good with this. You should get all the wines. See how they taste with that. And you should get all the martinis. So we're going to drink again at dinner.
And my buddy Chester is going to back her up on this one.
Yeah, Chester will be like, another one? It's turned into a rainy day. I'm so glad we're not stuck out there on the island. Our little bunny looks scared. It's just the ship Eileen's engines, but it looks like our bunny is scared. We are getting rocked by this storm. Well, I mean, not that one, but there's like one right above us too.
Let's go ahead and do our
Deal,
last
no deal.
round. We're going to find out what is inside Tanya's case. That's going to be the prize you're going home with, or you keep it, whichever one you choose here tonight. Do you want to keep it, or do you want to swap it?
I'm going to keep it.
You're going to keep that case. You're going to keep it. She locks it in as well. All right, let's go ahead and open up what you did not win here tonight. Let's open up case number 15. What's in there, case 15? 50 cents! Yeah! And let's open up your case. That case number 7 means you're taking home that $75. Give Tanya a big round of applause, everybody.
We were a little late to dinner. We had to go back to the room and get ear patches and take some more Dramamine and take some Bonine or Bonine. Our server said that alcohol would help, so we ordered drinks, hoping that it would help. There's lots of cool stuff on the ship that we want to do tonight, so we're hoping we don't have to go back to the room, but this ship is rocking. I was in the bathroom stall, holding on to both sides of the walls, like, because I didn't want to fall off the toilet. It was rough. This is a rough night. This is a rough night.
I was a little off balance.
But everybody is on the ship. Everybody's like,
The employees are feeling it too.
yeah. They were like, hold on tight. Alligator beignets. I don't know what's in it. I don't know how it's gonna taste. And chicken and Gruyere soup.
Yes.
I almost said soap.
Soap.
And the drinks have arrived. We're gonna drink and see if that helps with this. Here, hang on. Let me move the camera so you guys can. I'm gonna move it with the boat. There we go. That's what it feels like. Alright, Darius had to call it quits early at dinner. I have our desserts to go. Michelle is a wonderful server and she tried to talk us into staying, but then as soon as she saw how bad Darius was, ooh, rocking on the ship. Ooh, jeez. She was like, yeah, you better go. And she sent us with our desserts. Well, she sent him first. She said, here's this can of ginger ale. And then she sent me when I finished my dinner with our desserts. Go ahead and bring him his dessert, see how he's feeling. How you feeling?
Good.
You okay now?
Yeah.
A little better?
Yeah.
Here's mine. It's a no sugar added praline cake. Ooh, with a little toasted meringue. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, it's jiggly. Ooh, ooh. And then the molten lava chocolate cake. It comes with ice cream. Put it in the fridge. Oh yeah, there's the unfinished drink from dinner. Can't drink it though. There's no way. I don't even know if we're gonna eat this, but we're gonna try. There is a hurricane brewing about, I don't know, hundreds of miles that way, but the waves are still, oh God, the whole ship is moving really bad. Hang on, prop you up. Stay. But the whole ship is moving. And there are numerous people on board that are getting sick. On the way out of the dining room, multiple families just taking their dinner to go and trying to make it back to their room before they got sick. Any crew member I have seen that has noticed how I'm feeling has offered advice and words of wisdom. At this point, we're giving up. Like, it's just, it's useless to try to make something of the night when it's just feel awful. You can't do anything about it. But Darius has been asleep for almost an hour and a half now. He's just been in and out of sleep. It's starting to get to be really bad. I laid down, but it didn't help. So I'm just gonna go to sleep, wash my makeup off, put all this makeup on, because I thought we were gonna be able to go to dinner and then we were gonna hit up all the different bars and we were gonna dance. There was a deck party. But I'm just so tired from being so nauseous and just swooshed around.